What is a hodler? How Bitcoin creates real wealth and freedom. In today's fast-paced, profit-driven world, the term hodler might sound like just another crypto buzzword. But for those who understand its true meaning, hodling is not a trading tactic. It's a revolutionary philosophy, a lifestyle, and a powerful rejection of a system that no longer serves the people. So, what is a hodler? Let's go deeper. The illusion of money. Most people spend their lives working for something they believe is money. Paper bills, bank account numbers, digital balances. But what if I told you this so-called money is not real wealth? Fiat currencies, like the US dollar, euro, yen, are no longer backed by anything tangible. Governments and central banks can print them at will, pumping more into the system whenever it's politically convenient. The result? Inflation. Quiet, invisible theft. The value of your hard-earned savings gets eroded year after year. Not because you did something wrong, but because the system is designed that way. To a hodler, this is the core issue. A hodler understands that we're living in a financial simulation, a fiat matrix, and the money we're taught to trust is a tool of control, not a store of value. Bitcoin, the escape code. Now, imagine something different. A form of money that can't be printed or inflated, isn't owned or controlled by any government, has a fixed supply forever. That's Bitcoin. For the hodler, Bitcoin is not just an investment, it is a lifeboat, a declaration of independence. It's a way to opt out of inflation, financial surveillance, and manipulated markets. Bitcoin is hard money, built on code, mathematics, and decentralization. It has a fixed supply of 21 million coins, ever. No one can change that. Not a politician, not a billionaire, not even a central bank. To the hodler, this isn't about price charts, it's about principles. The mindset of a hodler. HODLing is not trading. It's not investing. It's not gambling on the next bull market. A true hodler has something much deeper: conviction. Here are 3 core freedoms that every hodler strives for. 1. Time freedom. Most people trade time for money. A hodler doesn't want to be stuck in that loop. They know that by holding sound money, their wealth can grow without needing to constantly hustle, worry, or chase quick profits. Bitcoin teaches the hodler patience. In a world obsessed with instant gratification, they understand the power of long-term thinking. 2. Location freedom. Bitcoin is digital and decentralized. You don't need a bank account to use it. You don't need permission. You just need internet access and your private keys. This means a hodler can live, move, and thrive anywhere in the world, with their wealth secured and portable. Whether you're in New York, Nairobi, or Malaysia, Bitcoin works the same. It's freedom beyond borders. 3. Financial freedom. Finally, and most importantly, hodling is about sovereignty. Financial sovereignty. A true hodler refuses to let banks, governments, or central planners decide their financial fate. They take control of their own future. By hodling Bitcoin, they say, "I trust the code, not the cartel." The hodler does not invest. This might sound strange, but here's a key truth. The hodler does not invest. The hodler exits. They're not in it for the next 10% gain. They're in it for the next generation. They're not traders. They're builders, visionaries, believers in a new system where time, energy, and value are preserved, not destroyed by inflation. To be a hodler is to see the truth and to act on it while the rest of the world sleeps. Conclusion: the hodler's lifestyle. Being a hodler isn't easy. It means standing against the crowd. It means holding strong during crashes, FUD, and political pressure. It means living with intention, clarity, and unshakable belief. But it also means freedom. So what is a hodler? A hodler is someone who sees through the illusion, who chooses sovereignty over submission. Someone who holds not just Bitcoin, but a vision for a freer future. If true freedom is what you seek, then you belong here. Subscribe to our channel, HODLer's Lifestyle, for deep dives into how to generate true wealth through Bitcoin. We're not here for hype. We're here to build clarity, conviction, and a future worth hodling for. This is the HODLer's Lifestyle. This is the future.